So the restart of sports discussions have trickled down to the upcoming schoolboy football season in Jamaica. We hear different scenarios being bandied about. Later than usual start, truncated season, straight knockout format, etc. As the Inter-Secondary School Sports Association, ISA, keeps an open mind. But let me say this though, schoolboy sports, including schoolboy football, cannot and should not be compared neither directly nor indirectly with the professional sporting leagues around the world. So the kind of desperate measures being taken to save the English Premier League and the Spanish La Liga or the Italian Serie A and German Bundesliga, etc. And we're hearing now about a restart of the NBA and Major League Baseball, etc. We cannot put the amateur high school Manning Cup and the Costa Cup with those mega multi-million-dollar leagues, assuming that the COVID-19 virus will be here with us at least till the end of the year without a vaccine, apart from the fact that Jamaica's health system cannot adequately provide the kind of extensive testing and isolation support needed to restart any contact sport, even without spectators. But that aside, what is the big imperative for schoolboy football to be played? What's the imperative? Like we are saying, it must save the schoolboy football season. Why? Brother, we're going to take on a book. Take on a book. Take on a book. Yeah, take on a book.